Hey everybody, it's Mark again for Foxwell. Just got 3 new packages in the mail. An i50, Foxwell's newest scanner, an i72, and an i75, which is that combo between the i80 Max and the T2000. So let's get started with unboxing. I'll show you what's in the case. TPMS Sensors, some packaging material, and the i75TS. So, we got in the case here. It's another big case full of stuff. So this kit looks pretty similar to the i80 Max. Inside, we should have all the adapters. Yep, very similar to the i80 Max. So you have a Mercedes-Benz, the old OBD1 connector for Mercedes-Benz, Honda, Mazda, Toyota, Daewoo, Kia, Nissan, and Toyota. We have a quick start guide, a packing list, some Foxwell i75TS instructions, which are also available online, warranty card, and a product brochure. So again, if you go to foxwelltech.us, under products, click on the, there will be a drop-down menu, click on the i75, and there's a ton of information on the website that tells you the specifics, processor, memory, RAM memory, and hard drive size. I think it's a 32 gig hard drive on this unit. But the website, there's tons of information there. So we also have a similar bag of cables to the i80 Max, OBD2, charging cables, adapters for different cars, charging, a cigarette lighter, charger fuses. And then over here, we have your vehicle control interface, or your VCI. Alright, now what you've all been waiting for. Let's take the tablet scanner out and we'll see, compare it to the i80 Max. Alright, so as you can see, to the right is the i80 Max, to the left is the, help if I turn it over so you can see the logo properly. So it's got a little bit smaller, but the same ruggedized case. You see up here in this corner here, it's got the little symbol for your tire pressure monitor tool. Logo down there in the corner, i75TS. On the outside of the scanner, you've got ports. You see USB 3, HDMI, and a USB, volume, and power knobs. It's powered up. It's probably charged up. There you go.